Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. Today, we're going to show you how to create discount codes and promotions in Shopify. There are 6 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up effective discounts to attract more customers and boost your sales. Let's get started. Why are discounts and promotions crucial? Offering discounts and promotions can help attract new customers, retain existing ones, and increase sales. It's a great way to incentivize purchases, clear out old inventory, and create a sense of urgency. Let's start by accessing your discount settings in Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Discounts in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll create and manage all your discount codes and promotions. Now, let's create a discount code. Click on Create Discount, then select Discount Code. Next, choose the discount type. You can select percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, or buy X get Y. Enter a unique code that your customers will use at checkout, such as SUMMER24. Set the value of the discount and any conditions, such as minimum purchase amount or specific product requirements. Once you're done, set the active dates for your discount code and click Save. Your discount code is now ready to be shared with your customers. In addition to discount codes, you can also create automatic discounts that apply at checkout without the need for a code. This can simplify the shopping experience for your customers. In the Discounts section, click on Create Discount, then select Automatic Discount. Enter the discount details and conditions just like you did with the discount code. Set the active dates and save your automatic discount. Take your discount and promotion strategies to the next level. You can use apps from the Shopify App Store. But how do you choose the best one? That's where Taranker comes in. Taranker offers comprehensive reviews and comparisons of various discount and promotion apps, helping you make an informed decision. Go to Taranker.com and navigate to the Shopify Discount Apps category. Here, you can explore the top free apps, Top 20 Apps 2024, and Best Apps lists. You can also use the Compare feature to evaluate different apps based on user reviews and detailed comparisons. Once you've selected the discount app that fits your needs, you can proceed to install it through the Shopify App Store. For this example, we'll use Zotabox. Search for Zotabox on Taranker, click Install App, and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store. Zotabox offers all-in-one tools for promoting your Shopify store. With Zotabox, you get customizable pop-ups to grab attention and urge email subscriptions, dynamic header bars to promote offers and create a sense of FOMO, and high-converting landing pages to capture leads, which may convert to potential customers. Enhance customer interaction with easy-to-use contact forms that gather necessary data for your upselling campaigns. And keep your audience engaged with real-time push notifications and more. After setting up your discounts and promotions, it's important to monitor their performance. Use Shopify's built-in analytics to track the effectiveness of your discounts and adjust your strategies as needed. Regularly review your discount reports to see which promotions are driving sales and which ones need improvement. This will help you optimize your future campaigns. Voila! You've learned how to create discount codes and promotions in Shopify in 6 steps. By following these steps and utilizing the right tools, you can attract more customers and boost your sales. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!